Okay, so let's review example 3, try it. We've got Samantha's training for a race. The distance of her training runs from an arithmetic sequence. She runs 1 mile the first day. That right there tells me that a sub 1 equals 1. And 2 miles on the 7th day. Okay, 7th day means n is 7. And she's running 2 miles on that day. And right now we're going to consider that my a sub n, my final term, which is going to be a sub 7 equals 2. Now what I do not know is my d. I don't know my common difference. So let's write the explicit definition. So again, going back to the general form, a sub n equals your first term a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1. We're going to plug in what we know. My final term right now, which is going to be the 7th term, is 2. My a sub 1 is 1. I do not know what d is, but I know n equals 7. And now let's just go ahead and solve for d. I'm going to get 2 equals 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 times d is 60. Okay, we're going to subtract 1 from both sides, and I'm going to get 1 equals 6d. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 6. I get d equals 1/6. So now I can go ahead and write the explicit definition, which is going to be a sub n equals 1 plus 1/6 times n minus 1. Now that I have this definition, I can use this to solve for any term number. So now we are asked how far does she run on day 19? Okay, so that means my term number is going to be 19. So n equals 19. And so I'm going to plug that into my explicit definition. So that means my 19th term, I denote that by saying a sub 19 equals 1 plus 1/6 times 19 minus 1. And then we're going to simplify. A sub 19 equals 1 plus, and I know this is a fraction, we'll just do this step by step, 1/6 times 18. And remember, when you're multiplying a fraction by a whole number, numerator, multiply across, so that's 1 times 18 is 18, divided by 6, which is 3. So the a sub 19 equals 1 plus 3. So that tells me that on day 19, she has run 4 miles. Are there any questions on that problem? Okay, sounds like everyone's got it. I will have these videos posted in Canvas if you need a refresher.